Are you making decisions with half the data you need? Hypernomica shows how features, value, demand, and price work together. In the past, when you needed to analyze your markets, you may have gathered data and run industry statistics in various ways and portrayed them with all sorts of charts. You ended up with lots of two-dimensional answers. But is that enough information to know what to do? What if you could study 4 non-negative and common market dimensions at once and simultaneously see the linked and states of value and demand? What if you could add other facets instantly, interactively, and intuitively? Now you can, with Hypernomica statistical market analysis software. Grab your Excel data and rapidly perform statistical analysis on it. Discover equations describing your market's innermost workings. See how buyers compare products by their features and value space, along with their ability to buy them based on their prices on the demand plane. Find your industry's responses to features, prices, and openings, and act upon them. If you are buying, derive the best deals in any market. If you are selling, discover your under and overpriced items, adjust them, and increase profit. If you want to add a new good or service to a market, locate its open spaces, which are ripe for new products customers want, don't have, and can afford. These are open regions for new offerings for your buyers. The countervailing forces of value and demand have always been there, hidden in plain sight. Now you can see them and make them work for you. Try Hypernomica and find out for yourself with our free 30-day trial at hypernomics.com.